Yo guys, remember Nook Nook? Oh, my goodness. Oh, anyways. What in the world is happening? Let's see, so that way I can roast them out of oblivion. Or two. Let's start. I was scrubbing about my eyeballs and my eardrums, so let's just start. Whoa! Hold on! Hold on right there. Stop what you're doing. Don't move a muscle, and don't even get a neuron fired. Well, can't, but yeah. Has to do some movement and stuff then. So, you know what I mean. Anyways, today we are going. Remember the scratch in the back rooms in this? Well, guess what? We are going to be looking at the entire series. From the trailer to the very last video, we're going to see it all. So first, I know. For some odd reason my For You page is about as cooked as my For You page on YouTube. Which I don't know why. Sonic is pregnant!
Whoa! What is this? Gotta get out of here!
Born to be wild.
That's a new personal best. Whoa!
Why does his mouth look like that? That's something that even a sperm will cringe over. There are some things on here that low-key just don't make sense at. Baldi eats junk food. That reminds me. Like, why would you put ketchup in the cereal?
I want them all. Wait, I need to move them. Just get in.
The reason why I eat junk food is because most foods that are healthy, I don't like. But I can't help it. So, yeah. There are some healthy foods that I like, but it's not the best. Oh, guess who fell? It's Scratch. Yep, sirs, it's him. Which one would you rather, Glitch or SMG4? SMG4 is a big old classic when it comes to childhood. I know I'm still in the childhood, but SMG4 was actually a big part of it so far. Like, I'll never forget SMG4, how many times we've laughed at him, how many times we've laughed at his videos, and he actually tried, which makes it even better. Why did he turn his neck a whole 360 degrees? Why is he turning his neck an entire 360 degrees? Anyways.
Okay. Just find the exit.
Buddy, there is no exit. Technically, that's actually bacteria. But if it was from TV.
Right. Never leaving the office again. Okay. Just find the exit.
Bro looks like a 1996 dog. Well, technically,
this isn't the break room.
The parking garage.
4 red, 2 blue. Where's the green one? Oh, you have got to be kidding me!
That's the Smiler from the bathrooms. What if it was from Team Part 2? Woo,
this isn't the break room.
Okay, done with that. Now we're going on to the pipe dreams.
Oh boy, which way do I I go now? Come on, come on, come on! Turn, you rusty piece of junk!
Great.
That was way too close. Oh boy, which way do I go now? Come on, come
I
on,
also
come on!
don't remember what entities was in the pipe.
Okay, just gotta find the main panel. Easy. Come on, almost there. Level 4. Wonder what's next. Okay. Just
Level
gotta find
4. Let's see what's next. There is no level 4, but you have level fun. And level 1 for your life. What?
Just find the elevator. Easy.
Every time when I think of level 1 for your life, I always think of that one part of Doors. You know, the one where there's that song that goes to I forgot what it was called, but yeah. You know
Where
what I'm talking about.
are the keys? Oh, thank goodness. Huh? Level fun? Oh no. Okay.
Yep. What is he working for Meg?
What
For the MEG?
is this place?
Is he working for the MEG? And Major Explosion. Oh my goodness!
Gotta get out!
Why does it feel like the only Backrooms group that's most known is Azing?
Made it. I made it. What?
Bigfoot! That's not Bigfoot, you Nimrod!
Okay, sorry. I just, yeah. I just get it.
No. Where am I?
Phasmophobia. It's the thing! It's the thing.
I'm alive.
How is Scratch surviving these? I'm honestly surprised. I could never survive the battle.
Hello? Is anyone there?
But I probably know what to do because of Meg in this reality. There's the Hound
Safe. I'm safe.
for now.
Hello?
For now.
It's still there. It's still there. Almost
That's
there. Go. I made it. I'm out. It's still there.
Look how almost everything changes. Like every second. Oh look, it looks like he collected that chainsaw.
That sound. It's getting closer. It hurt me.
Say bye to your kneecaps. Oh, don't hurt my kneecaps. Oh, what a way.
I made it. I'm
Goodbye,
safe.
kneecaps.
Sound. It's getting close.
Goodbye, kneecaps.
Hello? It's so cold.
Not bad again. Ooh, Easter Island.
Made it. I actually made it.
Bro, how is he so good at this? Did we already do this?
No.
Oh, well. What?
I made it. I'm safe.
I'm glad that it's actually kind of accurate.
No, not them. Almost there. I actually made it. No, not them.
I don't know how we're surviving these.
No, not another one.
Digital circus! Right after this, I need to check something. I don't want to say goodbye to my kneecaps.
I made it.
Why do you keep on saying, I made it? I made it! Say goodbye to your kneecaps! Ow! Don't hurt my kneecaps! Don't hurt my kneecaps! Please don't hurt my kneecaps. They're too young. Actually. Ow, what the fart? If you don't know what I'm talking about, just take a good look at what you're looking at in case you were blind or something. But, what did you do to poor Liz? What did she do? Alright. Kyler, please don't hurt my kneecaps. Please. Please don't hurt my kneecaps. Hold all posts on. Don't hold any posts. Hold potential inappropriate posts. Okay. Subscribers. I'm gonna do 1 week. So you can adjust pretty quickly.
You know how hot it is outside.
Jeez! It's pretty hot. Goodness. Well. Okie doke. Oh, that was a long journey. What should I? Someone or something,
Come on, just break. Wait! Did I just break bedrock?
You just broke bedrock? Yeah, Mojang is gonna not be happy with you. My goodness! What's the coffee plate? Am I supposed to be a whore? I guess not.
Attack my clones!
Why does Ribbit have a male voice? You don't realize that she's female?
Oh, we lost one!
But that one wasn't like the Pomni one.
Take down the Walmart sign!
Oh yeah!
Attack my...
Now they get to keep it as a fridge magnet. Which is probably about the size of their house. Well, it should say their room because, yeah. You get the point.
For the streak, no mercy!
Gummy Goo! Yo, what's up, my man? What did they do to my poor guy, Gummy Goo?
Now.
What did they do to my poor guy, Gummy Goo? What did Gummy Goo do to deserve that? Great.
It's here! Hurricane Milton is here! Kaido, grab my hand!
I guess the hurricane is the fan. It's...
For the streak, no mercy!
Look at that.
Now, about that French lesson you missed. For the streak, no...
Excuse, pardon my French for a second, but why in the world, what in God's green creation are you doing? Copy and pasting simulator. What is wrong with you people?
Contact. Is the asset compromised? The only asset is you, Sleepyhead.
Sleepyhead? Ooh. I woke up too early this morning. I didn't go to bed until like 2-something in the morning. So yeah, I'm retired. I read it and cried.
No, please! Put me down!
And then she started to play.
Where's all this water coming from? You're okay. I'm so sorry.
I'm sorry, that just reminded me of that. Why am I getting stuff? All these stuff I don't even care about, like Verity. Of course I'm gonna care about Minecraft. I don't care about Minecraft until the day I die. No Minecraft I cared about it since I was like 4. And Bruv780 told me that he's had Minecraft since he was 4. SCP. It's SCP-173 if it was a cat. Exactly. Warning. SCP-173 just became a furry.
It's time! Okay, hospital, now! The fox? Oh no, stay with me!
Is that a... Okay, my biggest question is, why don't you just go to McDonald's and order kids meal for it?
Ouch! My head hurts. Please help me.
Ouch, my head hurts. Okay.
Oh, those baked beans! A terrible mistake!
How is this kind of stuff allowed on the platform? Answer that too. Give me one good reason. Give me one good reason. Not this again.
Oh,
Bro, let's see something.
too many.
Oh, Cinderella doll. Wait, why are you pulling out a 500 back? Last time I never followed half of these people.
Almost done with this task. No, they got black!
What is this? The back room?
Emergency meeting! It was green! I saw him do it!
Oh, Among Us. Okay. Hang on, we need to do our channel anthem, and I'm gonna do one more thing. Oh, sorry, Bruv780, I forgot. Also, try not to laugh.
Where's Bubbles? She's probably upstairs combing her hair so she can be the prettiest girl at the party. Bro, dude, what you
Just try not to laugh.
bro, I didn't even finish. Let's go.
You know, Pumpy, it doesn't matter if you shimmy.
I love this one. The music just makes it funnier. A little bit is really funny.
How's Queenie? Oh, I don't know, Jax. How's Ribbit? I guess one could say she croaked.
Wait. Okay? See this? You already know that. Nothing good. Sick and tired of having to do this stuff just for nobody to hear. And the one that does is probably Bruv780. Sorry, but I gotta bless your eardrums again. And look who it is. It's Nico. My baby. Come on, unless I break your ear. No, unless you say goodbye to your kneecap. Hey, Kinger. How's Queenie? Question. One could say she wrote. Let's see what my shopping wish list is. Wow. Kinger plush. Guess I really like Kinger. Yeah, he is one of my favorite characters. How am I ever gonna show you my? How am I ever gonna show you our channel anthem when there's no shit eating?
Propel.
Yeah.
Don't worry, the Propel is just Pro-Play. And by the way, Pro-Play is just something that keeps me hydrated. Best part is, there's no sugar. So I get to drinky while staying hydrated. And it's actually good.
You still doing your thing?
No, I'm doing another one.
That's what I said.
Yeah, I'm doing a thingamabob. Mom, look at this.
Where's Bubbles? She's probably upstairs combing her hair so she can be the prettiest girl at the party.
Okay.
And also, look at this.
You after school.
I don't know. That's me after going out of the house in general.
Like that?
Drumstick, crispy.
Let's
That smells great. I can smell the spices already. Let's try this out.
It's a really old video, but it's him eating Nashville KFC hot chicken.
Oh.
Which I think it's probably gone by now. So it was like, because the original video was posted over 6 years ago.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, I think it's gone by now. Alright. Also, by the way, you know how my channel has been Nico the Seal for like the longest time that I can remember.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna change it to Sweet Baby Nico. Probably.
Yes, hello. I was wondering if you could play that song again.
Good idea.
Which one, man? The one that goes.
Doesn't feel like time today is just moving so slow.
Feel like time's moving slow.
Yes. Okay, today. Okay, I already. But anyways, today we are going to be reacting to more stuff. But what are we going to watch to be exact? Well, you have two guesses. Bruv 780 or Bruv 780.
I think that's what I saw when I went to my parents' parade.
What?
I saw all the fair stuff heading northbound.
Probably that's close.
Did you want to go to the fair this year? Or
I-
like not really.
I actually kind of forgot the fair was open, and I don't really like going to the fair too much. Alright, anyways, guess which one it is. Bruv 780 or Bruv 780?
8-8.
No, wrong. It's Bruv 780.
Or what? Highlands?
I'm reacting to this video. So. That's right. It's Bruv 780. I don't know. I'm kind of just like a laser. These videos are actually good. Ooh, he's got 15 subscribers. Good job. Which one should we react to? Shorts or videos? Or both? That's right. I'm gonna waste my life watching all of his videos. With you. Let's start.
And here comes number 13, Mr. All Coming 3-point line right now.
So yeah, I made here's one link to view it. Also, so yeah, I made here's one link to view it. Hey guys, use the sound and
Hey, Turbo, I've got about $20 worth of DoorDashes I've done just today.
Jeez.
So what does that tell you?
So yeah,
Making real
hey
money.
guys, use the sound and I will comment on your video. At least I think I'll try. And if I don't, then you get.
Nice. Many chocolate donuts.
What's up, guys? It's 4th of July special collab with Nico, my boy Nico the Sim. But I can't do your face, though. Yeah. This is a 4th of
Dustin Lucas will like. Dustin Lucas will like. Dustin Lucas.
Listen, Kyler, it doesn't matter if you shimmy, shimmy or shimmy ya. It all leads to one place. It all leads to one thing. Drink swalla la la.
You have been warned. There is nowhere to run. You will pay the price. I will take.
Unacceptable death.
God, I can't.
It's everything but okay.
Hello, everyone. It is Mr. Stan. If you want to have some fun, then the party just begun. We will all have a great time for our live attendant. So just join us in our working celebration in this fun time. Hello, everyone. Hey, kid. You want some candy?
Oh, but I want sweet juicy memes. Or solving theater work.
H-E-H-E. It's not it's hold on, pause. Do not move a single muscle. Are you actually telling me you're just going to scroll past this sound and act like you didn't see it? Hold on, pause. Do not move a single muscle. Are you actually telling me you're just going to scroll past this sound and act like you didn't see it? That is financial and algorithmic self-sabotage. This audio is... Hold on, pause.
I didn't make one.
So you love... So you are. What you call?
This is so cringe.
A villain called never.
Reminder, these are fully grown men, by the way. Some of these are fully grown men, by the way. In case you don't know, this is a fully grown man. Bro, this is a fully grown man.
So you are.
This is how many brain cells he has. No. Fully grown man, by the way. Alright, anyways, back to Kyler's videos. The common ad that thing will stop.
This girl is on cocaine.
Her TikTok hurts my brain.
She drives people insane.
She needs to find her brain. I'll hit her with a train. My wife who has good aim.
I don't know if you're saying my wife has good aim, or if you're saying my wife is, That's exactly what I okay, lad. I didn't know what to do, so I just jump. And probably almost.
Yo guys, look at my cat Freya.
Yeah.
If the screen shakes when the gun shoots, you're afraid.
To die. I'm not afraid to
Nervous within 16 in the summer.
Hey Daniel, I saw your life. I have one too. I have a giant gun plush too. It's Jason Voorhees. So cute, isn't it? It's so
See, that's Kyler's Sprunky OC.
I've been in 5 more crimes.
So, nah, we don't got Lucky Charms. We got marshmallows and stalls.
It's like the team of Sprunky Pack.
So, what's up, guys? It's your boy Kit Kat. My boy Nico the Seal. It's buddy. Come on in. I've been like 50 years. Look at him. Hi. Yeah. It's Nico. I think I died. I'm outside. I'm done outside. Okay, it's my boy Nico the Seal. You remember him, guys? Yeah. Whoa. Anyways, I expose bad stuff and anyways, I expose the bad YouTubers and stuff and support the good YouTubers. You like PewDiePie, Mocha So true. Sorry. Alright, it's your bud Kylo, he's back. Go away, Addy! Okay, you wanna see my PC setup? Boom. Soon I'll get an actual PC.
Yeah.
And I'm here for no reason. Yes. It's a collab. And, whoa.
It contained Cheetos and a Mountain Dew, and I decided to give it to him.
My TV, and, that's it, guys. See ya!
Yes,
So,
queen.
what's up, guys?
Okay, now it's the long form videos. Yes, queen. I reacted to that. That's how I'm gonna do this.
How did he build all the... Sup guys, today I will be playing Roblox, admin rotation, to be...
Okay, why don't we do
No,
this?
yeah, flipping play.
What? Instead, we're gonna just react to him giggle. Disco Rabbit. Serious?
Today we'll be exposing Disco Rabbit.
I did. Sorry, Kyler, but I did skip a few of your videos because it's just gonna take too long. Sorry, Kyler. If you want me to do a full one, Rep 780, especially to you, if you want me to do a full one, reacting to all of your videos, then I'll do it. Just tell me.
What the actual...
Okay. This is a message to Disco Rabbits. Not you, Kyler. Disco Rabbit. Listen here, you worthless piece of crap excuse for a YouTuber. Why do you make these kinds of videos? You not realize that most of the people watching your videos are kids. Why would you do videos like this? I don't know where you get these ideas from, but you need to stop it now. Before you or some kid gets endangered. Because you know how kids like to copy stuff in real life. God knows what's gonna happen. So, Disco Rabbit, if you keep on doing that, I will rip out your spine and then whip you to death, and then I'll grab your esophagus and use it as a straw to drink all of your blood. Anyways, and that message was for Disco Rabbit.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
What the hell?
Yo, sorry guys if I post too many videos. It's just I just like making videos for some odd reason. I just want to make y'all happy and, you know, make y'all laugh. So yeah.
What the heck? Whoa.
What in the actual? Well, I know yours is long. What do you mean by I know yours is long?
What the...
What do you mean by I know yours is long? Buddy boy, if you mean stay safe, you mean delete your whole channel. You mean delete almost your whole channel. Trust me. I know I might just be a kid, but I'm good at exposing. And I will not stop doing stuff like this until until the internet is safe, which will probably never happen. Eventually, I have to get tired of this, right? Well, yes, I do, but I keep on pushing. What in the actual? What was he planning on doing?
What? So that's, I guess, it. Explanation. Disco Rabbit is a deranged sicko making inappropriate
Hey, Tyler, I see you watched one of my videos. Hats in love. I still don't know why that exists. Look, Nico the Seal. Nico the Seal! Nico the Seal!
That's me.
Why, it's me, everybody! I mean, it's me. Hi. Yeah. Hi, I'm new. I do not like what you've done to my reputation. You made a whole NPC for that?
jokes. In short, in what of kids are probably watching them. So, yeah. Anyways, see ya.
I'm still here. I'm still here. That thing is the most fakest fake thing I've ever seen in my fakest life. If you know what I mean. Why is your tone thing so weird dressed up as Israel? Alright.
Fucking chores, you piece of shit!
Yes, sir, Ski.
Fucking chores!
Can I just go scrap my brain out? Yo, let's see what my first edit, how much it has. What's up, guys? This is an ASMR special. I did pretty good with that, huh? Did I cook? Pretty sure I have 67 videos. And by the way, my premiere is still going. So if you ever want to see it. Okay, how you doing? How you doing? I'm not gonna do that to him. He's my best friendo when it comes to YouTube. Okay, Tyler's doing nothing right now. By the way, nice profile picture, but I like the original. Oh, by the way, guys, that's gonna be it for now. But I'm gonna change this part, so stick around to see what it's gonna be. All right, see you guys.